In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on TikTok, one of the most popular and fastest growing social media platforms in the world. TikTok has over 1 billion active users and 2.6 billion downloads globally. It's a platform where you can create short videos of up to 60 seconds on any topic you like, such as comedy, dance, music, beauty, fashion, education, and more. But did you know that you can also use TikTok to earn money? Yes, that's right. There are many ways to monetize your TikTok account and turn your passion into profit. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 of the best strategies to make money on TikTok in 2023. Let's get started. Strategy number 1, join the TikTok Creator Fund. The first strategy is to join the TikTok Creator Fund. This is a program that TikTok launched in 2020 to support its creators and reward them for their original content. The Creator Fund pays you based on factors such as your number of followers, your video views, your user engagement, and your content quality. The exact amount varies from creator to creator and is not disclosed by TikTok. To be eligible for the Creator Fund, you must meet these requirements. You must be at least 18 years old. You must be based in the US, UK, France, Germany, Spain, or Italy. You must have a minimum of 10,000 followers. Your videos must have 100,000 video views in the past 30 days. Your account must adhere to the TikTok community guidelines and terms of service. If you meet these criteria, you can apply for the Creator Fund through your TikTok app settings. The Creator Fund is a great way to make some extra cash from your TikTok videos, but it's not guaranteed or consistent. So don't rely on it as your main source of income. Strategy number 2, sell merch to your fans. The second strategy is to sell merch to your fans. This is a great way to monetize your personal brand and build a loyal community around it. Merch is short for merchandise, which means any physical products that you create and sell online, such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, stickers, phone cases, and more. You can design your own merch with your logo, slogan, or catchphrase, or anything else that represents you and your content. You can use platforms like Shopify to create an online store for your merch and integrate it with print-on-demand services like Printful or Printify that will handle the printing and shipping for you. You can then promote your merch store on TikTok by wearing or showing off your products in your videos, or by creating dedicated videos about them. You can also add a link to your store in your bio or use QR codes or stickers that direct viewers to it. Selling merch is a great way to make money on TikTok because it allows you to express yourself creatively and connect with your fans on a deeper level. Strategy number 3, partner with influencers or other brands in the TikTok creator marketplace. The third strategy is to partner with influencers or other brands in the TikTok creator marketplace. This is a platform that connects brands with creators who have large followings and high engagement rates. Brands use this platform to find suitable creators who can help them promote their products or services in exchange for payment or free stuff. Creators use this platform to find sponsorship opportunities that match their niche and audience. To join the creator marketplace, you need an invitation code from TikTok or an existing member of the platform. You also need at least 100,000 followers and an average engagement rate of at least 5% once you join. You can create a profile that showcases your content style, your audience demographics, your previous collaborations, your rates, and more. You can then browse through different campaigns that are available for creators like you. You can also receive offers from brands directly. Here's how I would continue the video script. If you're interested in any of these campaigns, you can apply for them and wait for the brand to approve you. You can also negotiate the terms and conditions of the collaboration. such as the deliverables, the timeline, the payment method, and more. Once you agree on everything, you can create your sponsored content and post it on TikTok with the appropriate hashtags and tags. You can then track the performance of your content and get paid by the brand. Partnering with influencers or other brands is a great way to make money on TikTok because it allows you to showcase your creativity and reach new audiences. However, you need to be careful not to compromise your authenticity or alienate your existing fans by promoting products or services that are not relevant or valuable to them. Strategy number 4. Go live and collect virtual gifts. The fourth strategy is to go live and collect virtual gifts. This is a feature that TikTok offers to its users who have at least 1,000 followers. Going live means that you can broadcast yourself in real time to your followers and viewers. You can use this feature to interact with your fans, answer their questions, share your stories, showcase your talents, or do anything else that you think will entertain or educate them. While you're live, your viewers can send you virtual gifts, which are animated stickers or emojis that they can buy with coins, which are TikTok's in-app currency. Some examples of virtual gifts are Panda worth 5 coins, an Italian hand worth 5 coins, a love bang worth 25 coins, sun cream worth 50 coins, rainbow puke worth 100 coins, concert worth 500 coins, I'm very rich worth 1,000 coins. The more coins a gift is worth, the more it will help boost your popularity score, which is a metric that TikTok uses to rank its creators. You can also exchange these gifts for diamonds, which are another form of in-app currency. You can then cash out these diamonds for real money through PayPal. The minimum amount that you can cash out is $100, and the maximum amount is $1,000 per day. Going live and collecting virtual gifts is a great way to make money on TikTok, because it allows you to connect with your fans on a deeper level and show them your appreciation. However, you need to be consistent and engaging in order to attract and retain viewers. Strategy number 5. Create in-feed ads with the TikTok Ads Manager. The fifth strategy is to create in-feed ads with the TikTok Ads Manager. This is a tool that TikTok offers to its advertisers who want to reach their target audience on the platform. In-feed ads are short video ads that appear between user-generated videos on TikTok's For You page. They can last up to 60 seconds and have sound. You can use in-feed ads to promote your own products or services, drive traffic to your website or app, generate leads or conversions, or increase brand awareness. You can also customize your in-feed ads with different features such as call to action buttons, filters, stickers, music, and more. To create in-feed ads, you need to sign up for a TikTok Ads account and set up your campaign objectives, budget, bidding strategy, and targeting options. You can then upload your video creative and launch your ad campaign. You can also track the performance of your in-feed ads and optimize them accordingly. Creating in-feed ads is a great way to make money on TikTok because it allows you to reach a large and engaged audience with your marketing message. However, you need to have a budget and follow the TikTok advertising policies to run successful in-feed ads. Strategy number 6. Crowdfund projects by collecting donations from fans. The sixth strategy is to crowdfund projects by collecting donations from fans. This is a way to raise money for your creative or entrepreneurial endeavors by asking your followers and supporters to contribute financially. You can use platforms like Kickstarter, Indiegogo, GoFundMe, or Patreon to create a crowdfunding campaign for your project and share it with your TikTok audience. You can also offer rewards or perks to your backers, such as early access, exclusive content, shoutouts, merchandise, and more. You can then use the funds you raise to finance your project and deliver on your promises. Crowdfunding is a great way to make money on TikTok because it allows you to pursue your passion projects and involve your fans in the process. However, you need to have a clear and compelling idea, a realistic goal and budget, a solid marketing plan, and a loyal fan base to succeed in crowdfunding. Strategy number 7. Collect tips from your audience. The 7th strategy is to collect tips from your audience. This is a way to earn money by providing valuable content or services to your followers and asking them for voluntary payments or donations. You can use platforms like PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, or Buy Me a Coffee to create a link or QR code that you can share with your TikTok viewers. You can then invite them to tip you if they enjoy or benefit from your content or services. Some examples of content or services that you can offer for tips are educational videos, tutorials, reviews, advice, coaching, entertainment, challenges. Collecting tips is a great way to make money on TikTok because it allows you to monetize any type of content and show gratitude to your supporters. However, you need to provide high-quality content or services that are worth tipping for. And those are 7 of the best strategies to make money on TikTok in 2023. As you can see, there are many ways to monetize your TikTok account and turn your passion into profit. But remember, making money on TikTok is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, creativity, and consistency to build a loyal and engaged audience and earn their trust and support. So don't give up and keep creating awesome content that showcases your personality and value. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below which strategy you're going to try first, or if you have any questions or suggestions for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.